Good morning all. Today I will discuss midpoint circle algorithm. This algorithm is used to scan convert a circle in the computer graphics, right? And here I am scanning a single octant of the whole circle because I know that there is 8-way symmetry in the circle. So by knowing the one octant value, we can derive the other octant values also, right? So initially we will start with parameter x that is initialized to 0 and parameter y that is equals to r, where r is the radius of the circle and the decision parameter is p that is 1 minus r, right? So we will continue with the loop. The condition for loop is x less than equals to y, right? So we will start with the loop x less than equals to y until x is less than equals to y, and firstly we will set a pixel that is xy, which are the initial points we have described earlier. Next, we will see that whether the decision parameter is less than 0 or greater than 0, right? If the decision parameter is less than 0, then the new decision parameter can be calculated as p plus twice of x plus 3. Otherwise, if the decision parameter is greater than 0, in that case, the decision parameter is calculated as p plus twice of x minus y plus 5. And in this case, we will decrement the value of y, and in the last we will increment the value of x, right? So it means whenever the loop is continued, we will increment the value of x always, but we will decrement the value of y only when the decision parameter p is greater than 0. And these values are derived from the circle algorithm. These values are we have taken from the circle algorithm, right? So next, see the example. Suppose I want to draw a circle using midpoint circle algorithm having radius 5. So according to the algorithm, we will set the parameter x and y, that is x equals to 0 and y equals to r, where r is equals to 5 here. Then we will calculate the decision parameter, that is p equals to 1 minus r, so it comes out as minus 4. So next we will go with the loop that while x is less than equals to y, here x is 0 and y equals to 5. And yes, it is true, 0 is less than 5. So we will set the first pixel, that is x comma y 0 comma 5, right? Next we will see what is the decision parameter value, that is the value of p is minus 4, which is less than 0. In that case, the new parameter p is given by p plus 2x plus 3. So p is minus 4 here, x equals to 0 here, right? So it comes out as minus 1. And we know that when the loop is continued, x is incremented by 1. So initially x was 0, now it is 1. So we will go to step 2. Here we will see that whether loop should be continued or not. So here x equals to 1, that is less than 5, right? So we will set the pixel with the new value of xy, that is 1 comma 5. And we will see the decision parameter, that is minus 1, that is less than 0. So new p is calculated as p plus 2x plus 3, where x equals to 1. So it comes out as 4, and we will increment the value of x by 1. So x becomes 2, right? In the step 3, x equals to 2, which is less than 5, right? We will set the pixel 2 comma 5. Then we will see what is the value of parameter p. It is 4 greater than 0, and we know that when the decision parameter is greater than 0, in that case p is given by p plus twice of x minus y plus 5. So p here is 4 plus twice of x is 2, y is minus 5 and plus 5. So it comes out as 3. And we know that when the decision parameter is greater than 0, we will decrement the value of y by 1. So it comes out as 4. And we will increment the value of x, that comes out as 2 plus 1, 3. In the next step, we will see that x is equals to 3 less than 4. We will continue with the loop. We will set the first pixel as 3 comma 4 and p value is 3 greater than 0. So again we will calculate p equals to p plus twice of x minus y plus 5, where x equals to 3 and y equals to 4, right? So it comes out as 6. In this case, we will decrement the value of y by 1. So y becomes 3 and increment the value of x by 1. So x becomes 4. In the next step, we will see that the value of x is 4, which is neither less nor equals to the value of 3. So we will stop the algorithm here. And these are the final points we have generated for the single octant, that is octant from 90 degree to 45 degree in the circle algorithm. Thank you.